Good morning, children.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Fine, thank.
Have your breakfast?
Yes, miss. I eat idli.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
I am J. Devadarshini. I am studying 5th standard. I am studying in Karthikeyan school.
What's your father?
My father is a salesman. My father's name is Mr. Jyotimani.
What's your mother?
My mother is a housewife. My mother's name is Mrs. Uma Maheshwari.
Have you any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a little brother. My brother's name is J. Kishore. He is studying 1st standard.
Okay. Tell something about you.
I am a active student. I am a beautiful. I am a clever girl.
Excellent, dear. Thank you.
Thank you.